Hello students, I RN Sharma is taking next topic greatest integer function. So in this greatest integer function, a function y equal to fx equal to this you will read greatest integer function is equal to greatest integer means its meaning is greatest integer less than or equal to x. This is simple for this. Consider some examples to understand it. If we take x equal to 3.05, then its meaning is 3. Means this 3.05 is greater than 3 and it is the 3 is the greatest integer. 2 is also an integer less than this, but that is not greatest. Greater than 2 is 3, which is smaller than this, therefore it is 3. Similarly, next 4.99. If we will take its greatest integer less than this, then that will be 4, like this. If it is 4.99, then greatest integer of it is equal to 4, means lesser than or equal to 4.99. अब ये equal to कैसे आता है? Equal to के लिए अगर आप लेंगे जैसे x equal to 5, तो greatest integer of 5 will be 5. तो इस तरह से करके ये greatest integer फंक्शन डिफाइन होता है. इसी तरह से अगर हम x की वैल्यू -2.02 लें तो इसका ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर होगा, मतलब जो इससे छोटा हो. -3 -4 भी इससे छोटा होता है, लेकिन ये उन सब में बड़ा होता है, इसलिए दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन. सिमिलरली फॉर दिस इट इज -7 एक्सेट्रा, एंड thus in general greatest integer function is given by this. Means integer, greatest integer of this is less than actual value of x and more than this. If we take for x equal to suppose 2.8, then 2.8 minus 1 is lesser than greatest integer of 2.8 is lesser than equal to 2.8. मतलब इसका जो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर आएगा वो 2 आएगा, वो इससे बड़ा है और इससे छोटा है. इस तरह से करके ये इसका ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन होगा. ऑल्सो फॉर x इक्वल टू -3.2 greatest integer of it is -4. So by definition x minus 1, so x is -3.2, -1 is lesser than greatest integer of that will be -4 and it is x. So in this way this condition is true. So this is the definition of greatest integer function. Now to draw graph of it can be defined as, to draw graph it can be defined as greatest integer of x is -2 when x lies between -2 and -1. It is -1 when it is lying between -1 and 0. 0 when it is lying between 0 and 1. If it is lying between 1 and 2, then it is 1. If it is lying between 2 and 3, then it is 2. So in this way we can define. Now plot its graph. So to plot its graph, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is origin 1, 2, 3. This is -1, -2. This is -1, -2. This is 1, this is 2 and 3. So like this we can consider a two-dimensional graph. Now when x lies between -2 and -1, then see it carefully कि x can be -2 but not equal to -1. So in this way from -2 to -1 it remain -2. So this will be darkened but this is plain because x is not equal to -1. In next case x is -1, then it reaches at -1. but this position is blank. This position is blank means x is not equal to 0, it is lesser than 0. When x equal to 0, then it becomes 0, and x varies from 0 to 1, then it is vacant at 1. Again, when x equals to 1, then it jumps to 1, and it remains 1 till 2. After 2, it becomes 2, and it remains 2 till 3. So in this way, you are getting this is step up graph. So this function is also called step up function, and written as fx equal to greatest integer of x. This function is defined for every value of x, means fx equals to, this is defined for all x belongs to R, means सारे रियल नंबर्स के लिए डिफाइंड है. सो डोमेन ऑफ greatest integer function is R, and range, as result we are getting only integers, so it's I or Z. Any of the symbol can be taken for integers. So this is domain and range. Also, to understand this function, we can take help of ladder. If this is ladder, this is 0, this is -1, these are steps made on it, this is -2, and this is -3, etc. If we put our fit in between -3 and -2, it will come down, means will stay on -3. Similarly, when we take x between -2 and -3, result is -3. Result is -3. So same thing is here. Similarly, if we put our step in between -2 and -1, then obviously it is -2, means stay here only. So in this way, we can consider the ladder and can understand the definition of greatest integer function. Exponential function. You studied in previous classes about exponents b equal to a raised to power x, where a is greater than 0 and not equal to 1, while b is positive and x is any real number. That is, if we consider a particular example, suppose b equal to 5 raised to power x, then in this case we see this 5 is always positive number, and this x is any real number, and b is also positive real number. So in this way, you studied about these things in previous classes, but on the basis of that, here we will discuss about a function fx equal to a raised to power x, where a is positive, never be equal to 1, and x can be any real number. For different cases, if we take a lies between 0 and 1, means half, 1/3, 1/5, 1/10, any can be taken, then it will be a function fx equal to 1/2 raised to power x form. Now for domain of it, any value of x can be placed here. x की वैल्यू कोई भी पुट की जा सकती है यहाँ पर, तो मीन्स सबके लिए ये डिफाइंड है. That's why this is set of real numbers. Set of all x means this is set of real numbers. While in this case, range you know, जब आप एक 1/2 की पावर कुछ भी लगाएंगे तो आपको नेगेटिव वैल्यू कभी नहीं मिलेगी, और 0 से लेस कभी नहीं जाएगा, और 0 भी नहीं होगा, मतलब हमेशा 0 से बड़ा ही होगा, तो इसकी रेंज 0 से इंफिनिटी होगी. सिमिलरली इन दिस फंक्शन, डोमेन is all real numbers, and range is again वही 0 से infinity, means 2 raised to power x never be negative. Now we want to plot its graph. So to plot its graph, consider this graph, x-axis, y-axis, and now consider values -2, -1, 1, 2. Now prepare a table for this. If we consider function y equal to 2 raised to power x, then you see this is x, this is y, this is -2, -1, 0, and 1, then 2, then 3. For -2 it is 1/4. This is for -1 it is half. For 1 it is 1. For 1 it is 2. For 2 0 के लिए I'm sorry. For 2 it is 4. For 3 it is 8. So to plot its graph, consider here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then at -2 it is 1/4, means very small quantity but positive. At -1 it is half. At 0 it is 1, and at 1 it is 2, and at 2 it is 4. So in this way you can plot its graph. This is y equal to 2 raised to power x. If we consider another case, means 1/2 raised to power x, means 1/2 raised to power x, then this table can be taken as, एक इसका नया नाम दे दो y1 या फिर gx दे दो. तो gx के लिए जब आप ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे तो आप देखते हैं कि -2 के लिए ये 4 आता है, -1 के लिए 2 आता है, 0 रखने पर 1 आता है, 1 रखने पर 1/2 आता है, 2 रखने पर 1/4 आता है, फिर 1/8 आता है. मीन्स -2 पे उसकी वैल्यू 4 आती है और -1 पे इसकी वैल्यू 2 आती है और 0 पे वही 1 आता है. मीन्स दिस पॉइंट इज 0, 1. At 1 it is half, and at 2 it is 1/4 and so on. Then you see its graph is like this. So in this way, this is graph for 1/2 raised to power x. Means it is, in general you can say gx. It is in general you can say this is graph for 0 to 1, a line between, and this is for the graph of a raised to power x where a is greater than 1. So nature of the graph of exponential function will be like this. देखिए, draw graph of following functions, also find their domain and range. तो हमारे पास में 3 फंक्शन है, इनके ग्राफ बनाने हैं. तो देखिए ये फंक्शन किस पे डिपेंड है, ये x² पे डिपेंड है. तो सबसे पहले हम इसका ग्राफ बनाएंगे. इसका ग्राफ बनाने के लिए हम इसका ग्राफ बनाएंगे. हमें मालूम है इसका ग्राफ कैसा होता है. इसका ग्राफ होता है इस तरह से. अब हमें -x² का ग्राफ बनाना है. तो -x² का ग्राफ आता है इस तरह से, मतलब ये नीचे की तरफ घूम जाता है. दिस इज fx इक्वल टू -x². अब इसमें 2 ऐड करते हैं, तो 2 ऐड करने पर इसका ग्राफ जो है ऊपर की तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाता है. तो इसका ग्राफ आ जाता है इस तरह से. fx इक्वल टू 2 -x², और 2 इसकी हाईएस्ट वैल्यू होती है. और इसका हम डोमेन लिखें तो कोई भी रियल नंबर डाल सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर रेंज लिखें तो वो होगी -∞ टू 2. 2 इसमें इंक्लूड होगा, -∞ में कभी नहीं जाएगा. दूसरा ग्राफ हम देखते हैं, ये वाला. इसका ग्राफ के लिए हम कंसीडर करते हैं mod x. तो आपको पता है कि mod x का ग्राफ कैसे आता है. mod x का ग्राफ होता है इस तरह से. mod x का ग्राफ इस तरह से आता है, आपको मालूम है. अब इसमें +1 कर देंगे तो इसका ग्राफ 1 यूनिट से ऊपर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा एज इट इज। तो इसका ग्राफ हो गया 0,1 पे इसका डाउन लोएस्ट पॉइंट होगा और इस तरह से इसका ग्राफ आ जाएगा। अब इसका डोमेन लिखें तो आएगा ऑल रियल नंबर्स, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक्स एक्सिस पे से कोई भी नंबर हम ले सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर रेंज की बात करें तो देखिए इसकी रेंज लोवेस्ट वैल्यू 0 आ रही है और हाईएस्ट वैल्यू का कोई एंड नहीं है, तो इसका रेंज लोवेस्ट वैल्यू 1 आ रही है, 1 to इंफिनिटी है। और लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट ये भी हमने बनाया था, ये a 1 से बड़ा है, 3 is greater than 1, so ग्राफ की नेचर ऐसी होगी। दिस इज ऑल्सो 0,1, दिस इज 0 and its domain is set of real numbers and range is 0 to infinity. Neither of them are included. So in this way we can consider different functions and we can plot their graphs and also we can find out their domain and range. Thank you so much for listening me, and if you like my lectures then please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.